This is day two, and I only have 5 minutes to record these videos, so maybe that's a good little kind of time limit for myself. It's because I downloaded this random camera app on my MacBook, and apparently the free version only allows me to record for 5 minutes. So that's what I'll do until I just think of something else to do, but I don't really feel like I need to. Anyways, today is day two. And again, I'm going to go over three things: what I did, what I learned, and what I'm going to do tomorrow. So, what I did today, I woke up at 5:30. I went for a run. I did a quick workout, did some stretching, and then I got on my computer, started trading. I had my first session, I guess, and I told myself I would stay on the computer and look at the charts and stuff for at least 2 hours. So that was from 8 to 10, but obviously I went a little bit over that, and I kind of just spent the day thinking and stuff. I did a lot of analysis, technical analysis. I marked up charts and levels, and I made a bunch of not a bunch, but maybe five-ish ghost trades in a journal, and I thought about things. So I did that for the day. Some key things I learned today, I guess, would be sorting out or gaining more clarity on the process I take to enter a trade, I suppose. And that means having very clear confirmations of what needs to happen for me to enter a trade. So what I ended up making the step-by-step process is kind of I'm on the 5-minute chart, but before I actually look at taking a trade, I'm marking out key levels on higher time frames. So basically the daily, the 4 hour, 1 hour, and sometimes 30-minute levels that I can identify. And then I also take a note of which direction the daily candle is and the hourly candle is going. And then from there, I also try to identify the major trend, whether there's been a break of structure or something, or if it's within a range. From there, I basically wait for a break of structure to happen on the 5-minute, and then I wait for a retest or a pullback, and then I just wait for an entry confirmation candle pattern, which can either be a candle that has a long rejection wick to whichever side my bias is going towards, and then or an engulfing pattern, and then I just interrupt that and place a stop loss below the previous candle or whatever. But that's all it's just all technical stuff. I think the psychology part is really about being disciplined and creating a plan and just sticking to that plan no matter what. I learned a bunch of other things too, but it's kind of a lot to just put in one video. But I only have 30 seconds left, so I should talk about what I'll do tomorrow. I already set up this camera thing, so I feel like this is good enough for now to record these videos. I might have to extend the time though, because this is kind of short. But I'm just gonna do the same thing I did today: wake up, work out, get on the charts. So that's it for day two.